Okay, first you get the brush here, and you can see it's pretty, I've got the old type version, but this is how you do it, and you rub it on the edges, loosening everything up, and if you get the vacuum cleaner and just follow it up like this, and it'll take up all the debris as you go, just sort of get all the rough material out. Now you get the screwdriver, the flat bladed screwdriver, and with the microfiber cloth you run it there, and what you do is you get the screwdriver and just wrap it around there, that way it doesn't scratch the tracks, and you just go along the tracks with a damp, it's a damp or wet cloth, and it'll get all the surface grease and debris off the inside of the tracks. And you do also in those little tracks the same thing, you wrap your blade in there, making sure it doesn't scratch the track inside, but it will clean all the other debris out. Also near the glass, also here, you can do wrap the microfiber around and just give it a bit of a clean like that. And as you can see, it's side cleaned. Well, that's about it.